In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fill series of dates in Excel. Days, weeks, months, and years. We'll start with the basics and then build up to more advanced patterns, so you can quickly generate any timeline you need without typing each date one by one. First, open your Excel worksheet and click on the cell where you want your date series to begin. Type your starting date in a standard format, such as month, day, and year. Once the date is entered, press Enter to confirm it. Now click back on that same cell so it's selected. To create a simple series of dates by day, move your cursor to the bottom right corner of the cell until it turns into a small plus sign. This is called the fill handle. Click and drag the fill handle downward or across. As you drag, Excel automatically fills each cell with the next calendar day. When you release the mouse, you'll see a continuous list of dates, each one day apart. If you want to fill dates by weeks instead of days, start the same way. Type the first date, confirm it, and reselect the cell. This time, hold down the right mouse button on the fill handle and drag down. When you release, a small menu appears. Choose the option that says Fill Weeks. Excel will now create a series where each date is exactly 7 days apart, perfect for weekly schedules or reports. For months, you can use that same right-drag technique. After entering your starting date and selecting the cell, right-drag the fill handle, release, and choose Fill Months. Now every date in the series will jump forward 1 month at a time, keeping the same day of the month when possible. This is ideal for monthly billing cycles, project milestones, or recurring meetings. To create a yearly series, repeat the process once more. Enter your first date, select the cell, right-drag the fill handle, then choose Fill Years from the menu. Excel will generate dates that are 1 year apart, which is useful for long-term planning, tracking anniversaries, or financial projections. If you ever need to adjust the pattern, you can undo with a quick shortcut and try again with a different fill option. You can also change the date format by right-clicking the selected dates, choosing Format Cells, and picking a display style that works best for you. By using these fill options for days, weeks, months, and years, you can build accurate date timelines in seconds and keep your spreadsheets consistent and easy to manage.